Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about medical writing and its types. So, in this video, the topics will be covered are definition of medical writing, what are the different types of medical writing, what is the need of medical writing, the different skills required for medical writing, the duties and role of medical writers, and also about the different organizations of medical writing. Now, what is the definition of medical writing? Medical writing is the activity of producing scientific documentation by a specialized writer. Who will be that specialized writer? Basically, a medical writer. So, medical writing is the activity of producing scientific documentation by a specialized writer who is typically not one of the scientists or doctors who performed were involved in the research. Now, talking about the history of medical writing, that how medical writing came into existence. In pharmaceutical world, medical writing erupted as an essential field because the industry recognized it requires special skill to produce well-structured documents that present information more clearly and concisely. Another reason is clinical trials procedures are really complex, tedious and lengthy till it lead to the market approval. So this demand for well written standard complaint documents so that a medical professional or science professional could easily understand and quickly read. So there was the need of medical writing, and that's how writing came into existence. Now, about the types of medical writing, it is of two types: regulatory medical writing and educational medical writing. Regulatory medical writing, it means creating the documentation that regulatory agencies require in the approval process for drugs, devices, and biologics. So basically, in regulatory medical writing, when we have to get the approval, like we have to give all our studies, we have to make a document which contains all our studies and submit it to the higher authorities for the approval. So this is known as regulatory medical writing. So these documents will be huge, and also it contains the formulas. So now, talking about what are the documents which are included in regulatory medical writing. So basically it includes clinical study protocols, clinical study reports, patient informed consent form, investigator brochures, summary documents, for example CTD format, that is common technical document format. Now, talking about educational medical writing, it means writing documents about drugs, devices, biologics for journal audience and for specific audience. Journal audience means about the normal people. So it can be patient also, it can be any person. But in case of specific audience means a person who is already involved in healthcare professional like nurses, doctors, pharmacists, etc. So educational medical writing, as the word suggests, that education, like to provide the education for their reference, for their understanding, that to give a document for their better understanding or for their references. It includes sales literature for newly launched drugs, data presentation for medical conferences, medical journal articles for nurses, physicians, and pharmacists. As I told you earlier, that to provide the reference or for the better understanding of the medical professionals. Another one is programs and enduring material for continuing education and continuing medical education. So all these documents comes under educational medical writing. Now, what is the need of medical writing? So So for communalism, that is common ownership of scientific discoveries. Universalism, evaluating using universal, unbiased criteria. Disinter- Disinterestedness, scientists should act selflessly. Organized speculatism, ideas tested and subjected to rigorously structured security by peers. Now, the required skills for medical writing. That what are the skills which a medical writer should possess? Attention to detail, excellent writing skills, interpersonal skills, organizational skills, scientific skills. So all these skills are required for being a medical writer. Keep it simple, use short familiar words, avoid jargon and acronyms, be specific, be concrete, not abstract, say what you mean what you say. Now, things to remember. These are the following some terms that you all should remember, like before and after finalizing, medical writer should do a web tool search for overlapping content, and this should be done pre-publication, also after, like post publication also. Another one is should refer to specialist search engine. A proper search engine should be referred, which uses test fingering and string matching, or should go through cross reference databases which contains more than 9 billion articles. So there should be a cross reference database also. Now, talking about the duties performed by medical writer, CROs conduct clinical studies and help pharmaceutical companies to get their products registered with international regulatory authorities. In general, medical writers in CROs are involved with preparing a range number of documents for concerned regulatory submission, which includes protocols, reports for clinical trials, reports of the clinical experts. Another one is they may also be involved in the preparation of manuscript for publication in medical journals. Now, these are some organizations which are working for medical writing. AMWA, American Medical Writer Association. AMWA, Australian Medical Writer Association. EMWA, European Medical Writers Association. And another one is IMWA, Indian Medical Writers Association. So these are some names of some organizations which are working for medical writers. Now, I just listed some examples of some companies who are hiring medical writers like Cactus Communication, Parexel, Contiles, EcoScript, Veda Clinical Research, Reliance Clinical Research Services, Max Niemann International, Macrocare. These are just some of the examples. There are another companies also who are hiring medical writers. So hope you understood for today's presentation that what is medical writing, what are the different types of medical writing, what qualities or responsibilities medical writer have, like what should be the skills of a medical writing. Thank you.